Hello my YouTube family, how are you all? Hope all are good. Today I came up with another delicious and easy cake recipe. This is eggless papaya cake, which is a healthy version in which I have used wheat flour. See, this is the final output I am showing you in the very start of the video, so stay tuned and watch the complete video to achieve the desired goal. Okay? If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon for immediate updates. Follow the ingredient list as shown in the picture. Now let us start the process. Friends, what you need to do is take a papaya like I have taken this one, then remove the seeds and cut the same to make a puree using a mixer grinder. Okay. Friends, for the ingredients you need to take the salt and baking soda and baking powder, wheat flour and suji, that is semolina. Then you have to take all the ingredients and sieve into a container like I have shown. You need to take wheat flour of 1 cup and semolina of half cup, baking powder that is of 1 tablespoon, baking soda that is of 1/4 tablespoon. And you need to make the papaya puree like I have shown you. You don't need to add water in it. Okay, make sure the puree of papaya should be thick and not thin. See, these are the papaya that I have cut into pieces. Okay, these are other ingredients that I will tell you afterwards. First I will make the puree of papaya, and this is the puree that I made. Now I will add honey that I have taken of half cup, and I will add into this dry ingredients, and then I will add the oil that I have taken into this dry ingredients. And now you need to add the papaya puree and then mix them gently. Friends, for cooking the cake I have taken this type of kadai. Okay, and then I will add some amount of salt in it. After this I will preheat the container for 5 minutes. Once it gets warmed, we will add the batter container in it. This is the container in which we will cook the cake. Here I am using a brush. With the help of brush I have spreaded the ghee or oil, whatever you want, into the container, and then I have transferred the batter into this container. Just tap it for 1 to 3 times. Okay, that's it friends. The container is warm now. We can transfer our batter container into the kadai. Now let it to be cooked for 45 minutes at least on low flame. After 45 minutes, see friends, this is the output that I got. I prepared the cake for the very first time. The cake is not appeared on the knife. That means the cake is now cooked very well. Friends, in the next step we are taking a bowl. Okay, in this bowl I am adding some amount of cream. I have used cream from Amul and chocolate syrup. You can add both and mix it well. See friends, I have transferred the cake into a plate. Okay, so this is our cake which is ready. Now we have to design it with some amount of toppings. So with this cream, what I will do, I will spread the complete mixture onto the cake, and then I will draw a outline boundary like this. Friends, you can decorate the cake with more interesting ideas. I have made it for the first time, and whatever came in my mind I tried and presenting you. So hope you people like it. of papaya, small pieces and grapes, I am decorating the cake, friends, to look it more attractive. Hope you people like the recipe. It is very easy to make and I have used very less ingredients for making this cake. Please like the button if you like the recipe. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Friends, have a look on this final output. This is our final cake. It is ready now. Friends, I have spread some amount of chocolate syrup onto the cake. Let it rest the cake into the freezer for around 1 hour so that it will get set properly. After 1 hour, it's celebration times, friends. See, we are cutting the cake. I hope you liking it. Thank you, friends. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.